In my memory I will always see the town that I have loved so well, where our school played ball by the gas yard wall, and we laughed through the smoke and the smell. Going home in the rain, running up the dark lane, past the jail and down behind the fountain. Those were happy days in so many, many ways, in the town I loved so well. In the early morning, the shirt factory horn calls the women from Creggan, the moor and the bog, while their men on the dole play the manners roll, and the children and entering the dog. And when times got rough, there was just about enough, but we saw it through without complaining. For deep inside was a burning pride in the town I loved so well. There was music there in the Derry air, like a language that we all could understand. I remember the day I earned my first pay, and I played in a small pickup band. There I spent my youth, and to tell you the truth, I'm sad to leave it all behind me. There I learned about life, and I found a wife in the town I loved so well. But when I returned, how my eyes have burned to see how a town could be brought to its knees by the armored cars and the bombed out bars and the gas that hangs on to every breeze. Now the army's installed by the old gas-yard wall, and the land but burneth higher and higher. Whispered times and their guns, oh my God, what have we done to the town I loved so well? Now the music's gone, but they carry me on, for their spirit's been bruised, never broken. They will not forget, and their hearts are set on tomorrow, and peace once again. For what's done is done, and what won is won, and what's lost is lost and gone forever. I can only pray for a bright, bright day in the town I love.